Hello guys, this is Kawanjong. This is the brand Energizer. So this comes with 4 batteries. It comes with a charger. So I checked in the YouTube. So this is the best one I found it, and this is very good. Let me open it. So I'm gonna show to you what's inside. Okay. Okay, this is some instruction. It comes with some different language. Okay. Okay, actually, which I don't need this one. Alright, this is the battery, which is good. I don't remember how much I pay. I think it's a very good price, about $20 something. So anyway, I'm gonna link below how to buy this one. So this is the best one, best top. I researched about actually few days, and that's why this is the good deals. So this is really good stuff I decided to buy. So this comes with a 4 battery, and it charges in like 4 hours full. That's what it says. So I didn't check it yet. Somebody say like 4 hours. So it's very fast charging, you see. And here's the signals. So this signal means when you're charging batteries AMD, then it comes to half charge, then full charge here. That's what it shows here. And this is, you can plug to the power jack, which is very convenient to the wall. Just put that, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna link below description, so how to buy this one. You can buy from there, so I get some commission as well. Thank you very much for your watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.